Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a graphics card from Sapphire. The model number is Sapphire Radeon RX 6600 Pulse Edition. I bought this from Vedant computers and it cost me around 24,000 Indian rupees. I will put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. This graphics card comes with 8GB of GDDR6 memory and there is AMD Radeon 2 architecture. Here are the minimum system requirements for the graphics card. So inside the box we get installation guide and some paperwork for the graphic card. And the graphic card itself. The graphic card well packed inside an anti-static bag, which is very good. This graphic card comes with 2 fan design, so it's really compact, and it also has 8-pin power connector through which it will take its power from SMPS. On the back there is a backplate installed with Sapphire and Radeon name marked with it. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notifications from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.